everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the extended half double crochet stitch. Now I feel this stitch is highly underrated. It gives this beautiful texture and this really pretty corded ridge, and it works up lovely and quickly to make great big chunky scarves or blankets. So let's jump straight into how you work the extended half double crochet stitch. So for the extended half double crochet stitch, pop a slip knot onto your hook. Then you want to chain for as wide as you want your project to be. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 10. So I've got my 10 chains. So this is the width of your project. Once you have the desired width, add 3 more chains. Then we're going to work our stitches into the 4th chain from your hook. Now this loop on your hook does not count as anything. So those 3 chains you just made, skip those 1, 2, 3. And work into this 4th chain from your hook. So we're going to yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over at the back, your yarn will already be waiting for you, and come back through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That is your extended half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, go into your chain, yarn over, come back through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, you'll still have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over at the back, come back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, you'll still have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So I'm going to whiz along and do my remaining 7 stitches, then I will show you how to turn and begin the next row. So this is my final extended half double crochet stitch here. So I've got my 10 stitches themselves that I've just crocheted, plus these 3 chains that we skipped at the end, which do count as a stitch. They only count as a stitch for this very first row. So in total, I have 10 extended half double crochet stitches, plus my 3 chains here, which counts as my 11th. Now to go up a row, we're going to chain 2, and turn. Now that chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So from this point on, all your chain 2s that you'll do when you turn do not count. So we're going to work our first extended half double crochet into this very first stitch here. So straight from where you chained, working into this stitch. And just as before, yarn over, go under the 2 V's of that stitch, yarn over at the back, come through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So you'll see the top of your extended half double crochet stitch here. So these are the 2 chains down here. Ignore those. When you come back, this is where you'd put that final stitch. If you want to go ahead and mark it with a stitch marker, you can, and then you just work your way along the row, working under the 2 V's of these stitches. And that's all there is to it for the extended half double crochet stitch. You just repeat this row here for the entire length of your project. And if I just grab my large blanket that I was working on, you can see that chain 2 that doesn't count as a stitch along the side. Gives a nice straight edge to the blanket all the way down. Hopefully you can pick it up. I know it's hard to see white against white, but you get a nice straight edge. If you find it is buckling out too much, then by all means chain 1 instead of 2 for the turning chain. It really doesn't matter. You'll find your personal tension and what works best for you. So I do hope that you'll use this stitch. It is a fantastic quick grower and really, really simple and a nice little variation on the standard half double crochet stitch. So until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.